Welcome to online education. Dear children, today I will tell you Sheru's story. Who is Sheru? He is a boy who grazes the sheep. So let's start with the story. Unit 4, The Man Who Cried Wolf. Oh, what a beautiful day! The sun is shining, a breeze is blowing, birds are chirping, flowers are blooming. Oh, what a happy day! Sheru enters with his sheep. Chorus 1. Who's that? It's Sheru with his sheep. Sheru doesn't look happy. What's wrong, Sheru? Sheru told them, I don't like my job. Every day it's the same. Take the sheep, go to the hill and sit there all day. I get so bored. Chorus 2. Why don't you sing a songs? I don't like songs. Chorus 3. Why don't you play the flute? I don't like music. Chorus 4. Why don't you read a book? Sheru told them, I don't like to read. I want to have fun. Today I am going to have a fun. Just see what I do. Start shouting, help, help, wolf, wolf, the wolf is taking my sheep away. Please help, please help. Men rush in with sticks. First man told him, don't worry, Sheru. Second man told him, we will drive the wolf away. Third man told him, where is the wolf? Ha 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 ha. There is no wolf, I was shouting just for fun. Men told him, you silly boy, this is no fun. Don't do it again. Go away. Chorus. Sheru, Sheru, don't be silly. Don't cry wolf for fun. How I tricked the men. Ha 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 ha. How I fooled them. Ha 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 ha. I want to do it again. Oh, ah, wolf, wolf, help, help. The wolf is taking my sheep away. Please come, please help. Wolf, wolf. Men rush in with sticks. Men told him, what happened? Where is the wolf? Sheru told them, ha 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 ha. Fooled you again. There is no wolf, but it's so much fun. Ha ha ha. Men told him, you stupid boy, we won't listen to you again. We won't come again. Even if you cry, go away. Chorus. The men are angry. They won't listen to Sheru again. Even if Sheru cries, they won't come again. Chorus first. But what is this? Chorus second. It's a wolf. Chorus third. A really wolf? Chorus fourth. A really big bad wolf. Now what will Sheru do? Oh no! Wolf! Go away! Wolf! Don't come near! Don't touch my sheep! Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is taking my sheep away! Help! 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 No one listens to Sheru now. No one comes to help. Wolf takes a sheep away.
My sheep, oh no, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I will never cry wolf for fun again.
Chorus. Sheru has learnt his lesson. He will never cry wolf for fun again. So children, how was the story? And what do you learn from this story? The story was very nice and we learned that we should not misguide others by saying false things. It can put you in trouble. Well done. Now let's try to understand the meaning of some difficult words from the lesson. Guess the meaning of the following words. Blooming, flowering, flourishing. Tricked, an action done to fool someone. Fooled, made fool of someone. Learned his lesson, to understand someone because of an unpleasant experience. I will ask you some questions and you have to answer them. First question, what does Sheru do every day? Answer is, Sheru takes his sheep for grazing every day. Correct. Second question, why does Sheru not sing songs? Because he does not like singing songs. Correct. Third question, why does Sheru not play the flute?
Because he does not like music.
Correct. Fourth question, why does Sheru not read a book?
Because he doesn't like reading books.
Next question, what did Sheru want?
Sheru wanted to have fun.
Last question, what did Sheru say at the end?
Sheru said that he was sorry and will never cry wolf for fun again.
Correct.